In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the quick and easy products from Turtle Wax. Let's start by washing the car. I'm using the quick and easy Zip Wax car wash, which works great either by bucket or using a foam gun. Wash the entire car, then rinse. Skip drying, leave the car wet, then use the Wax and Dry Spray Wax. Shake the product well, then simply spray one car panel at a time while the car is still wet. Dry at the same time with a clean microfiber towel or a cotton cloth. This saves time and effort. Repeat this process until you've completed every panel. Interior One Multi-Purpose Cleaner is the easiest all-in-one solution for removing stains and odors on interior surfaces, including carpets, upholstery fabrics, plastics, and vinyl. Before using, vacuum any loose dirt, shake the can well, and spray onto the carpet. Detach the removable scrub brush, and then rub the foam into the carpet until the foam disappears. Use a clean microfiber towel to absorb all the dirt and the grime. Or finish by vacuuming. Use the same process for fabric. After vacuuming, spray onto the fabric, using the scrub brush to rub the foam into the fabric, and use a clean microfiber cloth to absorb the dirt that has come to the surface. For heavy stains, spray the foam and wait 1 minute before scrubbing. Reapply if necessary. For vinyl and plastic cleaning, spray the foam onto the surface, then firmly wipe with a clean microfiber cloth. To use Luxe Leather Cleaner and Conditioner, shake well and spray onto a soft, clean cloth or directly onto the surface. Work well until the surfaces are evenly conditioned. Buff lightly with a second clean cloth. This will restore your leather softness and prevent fading and drying and cracking over time. Clean and Shine Total Exterior Detailer for touch-ups and in-between car washes. Safely removes all light dust and dirt on all exterior paint, glass, metal, plastic, trim, and more. Generously spray directly onto one car panel at a time. Then with a clean microfiber towel, wipe the car for an instant shine. For wheels and heavily soiled areas, spray the surface until it's thoroughly wet with the product. Allow it to absorb into the dirt before wiping the dirt away with a soft microfiber towel. Once the dirt is removed, dry to a high shine.